Hello, how on a day, my good people in Geneva and all the people listening around the world. This is another wonderful day and another week the Lord our God has made. This is your wonderful program called Go with the Flow with Billy Green. Today we are going to talk about bread because our Lord Jesus Christ is the bread of life. My brothers and sisters, I want to take you back into the scriptures where our Lord Jesus Christ multiplied 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes. Remember, he told the disciples, which were the ushers in those days, to go and feed the multitude because they were with him for 3 days. And the disciples went and came back with bread and fishes. I want you to put yourself in that scenery now in the year 2016. I want you to imagine a pastor representing Jesus Christ in a crusade ground. After preaching, because the crusade was so intense and miracles happened, people were hungry, and he asked the ushers to go and give them something to eat. And the ushers will be running around to go and check the right bread to bring to the pastor, because the breads in Africa, in Nigeria, they carry some kind of funny names. So you better be careful the kind of bread that you go and eat, otherwise you'll be behaving like the bread. There is a bread in Benin that is called bicycle bread. Bicycle bread. Just imagine, the pastor blessed the bread and multiplied it, and the people in the crusade ground eat that bicycle bread. Hey, everybody in Benin after the crusade will just go and buy bicycle, and bicycle will just be plenty in Benin town. The governor will ride bicycle to his office, the nurses, the doctor, the teachers, everybody, no more cars again. Imagine the name bicycle bread. And there is another bread called Isagrikpa bread. Imagine the ushers taking Isagrikpa bread to the pastor to multiply. I imagine the name Isagrikpa. Everybody will be sacked from their job because they'll be shitting big shit in their offices. Big man shit. That is the meaning of the name of the bread. Look, there are so many kinds of bread. Imagine Mike bread. Everybody in the crusade ground, if the pastor bless the white bread, everybody will be using microphone in the marketplace. Even though you want to gist with your neighbor, to be microphone. You want to talk with your husband, it will be microphone. Anything you want to do is microphone. Even in Italy, Genova, there are some bread that you can interact, just like the Chinese bread. If you go and buy the Chinese bread that looks like the agege bread, be careful. Before you know it, you'll be speaking yang chang yang ching yang chung. And they will think that you are mad. It's the bread that is doing it. The names are so kind, but thank God that Jesus Christ is the bread of life. If you taste the bread of life, you will no longer go hungry. Study the Bible to get things inside so that your life will be going more in the Lord. Thank you for listening to this program. Remember, put your ears down for next week. God bless you.